Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create this awesome text behind person effect in CapCut. I'm going to show you both ways on your computer and on your phone as well. I'm using iPad. First method I'm going to show you on iPad, but the steps I'm going to steps to apply to achieve same result will apply on your iPhone or your Android. Doesn't matter, I'm just using an iPad. So first method, iPad. Let's jump right into this video. So open now CapCut and click on new project. Here please select your video, and then here we have to click on text, add text. Here write something. All right, you are beautiful, because you have to remember this. And I'll now in font select your font that you want to use. I like this one. And then in effects we have animation, we have effects. Let's go in animation, and in here add animation that you want. So let's enable internet connection, because you need internet connection in order to use any effects here. So now I have internet connection. I like this text and I'm gonna use this text. And now what I have to do is, after you added your text and you position the text exactly where you want, you also can crop the video if it's too long, split, delete, and now we have to export this video, because now we have to add another video, actually the same video, but we have to add the same video here, this one, but we have to add another one. Click on overlay here, click on add overlay. Now add the same video, but not the one with the text, the other one, the original one. All right, we add this one, we split it, this part, we don't need this one, and this part now we have to go to cut out and remove background. And now I just remove the background very fast. Now we have to position exactly so it's not I'm going to show you how you can create this text behind person with your computer, you know, with CapCut PC. Okay, so on PC I have the same video. I'm gonna just import the video. You can also drag and drop the video here in the where you have your videos, your pictures. You grab the video, drag it onto the timeline, and now what we have to do, the same steps. Go to text here, click on text, click on add to track. So now we have text to track, highlight both, and I'm gonna move the playhead exactly so I can crop this video. Control B and click on delete here. Now we have text here, write what you want and change font. And now let's repeat the same step. We have to export, and so let's click on export. Now here we write export our video, export. Now let's import. Now here we have our video. You can delete this, and in video we just imported, and just grab the other video. Now without text, move it on top of the video with text. Click on select the video without text and go to cut out. In here select auto cut. Now we apply auto cut. We just have to wait. And now we just cut, and yeah, we have now text behind our video. Now I didn't add any animation to this text. Unfortunately, I forgot to do that, but you know, I still looks fine. Look, very good. Looks pretty good, yeah. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.